noches, mi nombre es Tere Bernal, bienvenido a mi canal English Teaching World. Vamos a ver lecciones en inglés, pero si las quieres encontrar en español, ve a gramática de inglés en español. Let's start. We're going to begin with the grammar vocabulary. It is very important that before you continue and you begin, with your English lessons, you understand these vocabulary words. The first vocabulary word that we are going to explain is a noun. The noun could be a person, an animal, or a thing. A thing could be the board, the eraser, the marker, or a pencil. That's a thing, alright? The next word that we are going to explain is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that substitutes one word. For example, I am Tere. Tere is happy. Or, I am happy. Tere is happy, or I'm going to substitute it and I'm going to use I. I am happy. I is a personal pronoun. It's a word that substitutes another word. The next word that we are going to explain is a verb. Well, I don't think you have a lot of problems with this, but a verb gives you the action. Walk, sleep, teach, play, eat. That's a verb. An auxiliary, you're going to use this word a lot. An auxiliary is a word that gives you the tense of a sentence. Tense. In Spanish, you call it tiempo, but not in English, you call it tense. So, an auxiliary gives you the tense of a sentence. The adjective is a word that is going to describe the way something is. Characteristics of a noun. So, the adjective describes noun, okay? That's what an adjective does. You can say tall for a person, ugly for an animal, big for a thing, right? Those are adjectives. I wrote over here one of them, which is old. Old is an adjective. It gives you characteristics of nouns. The next word that we are going to see, the last one for today, is adverb. An adverb describes verbs. They tell you the way or the form that you do something. For example, walk. Slowly. Rapidly. So slowly and rapidly are adverbs. They tell you how an activity is performed. How do you walk? Oh, slowly or rapidly. Okay? Alright. Well, I hope you understood these vocabulary words, and let's continue with lesson 2.